Welcome to my channel. How to install Xerox C235 printer on Windows Mac. Step 1. Unbox the printer. Carefully remove the Xerox C235 printer from the box and take off all protective tapes, packaging materials, and stickers. Place the printer on a flat and stable surface near a power outlet. Step 2. Connect the power cable. Plug the power cable into the printer and then into a wall outlet. Press the power button and wait for the printer to complete its startup process. Step 3. Install the toner cartridges. Open the printer cover and make sure the toner cartridges are properly installed. If needed, remove any protective seals before closing the cover. Step 4. Load paper into the tray. Pull out the paper tray and load a stack of plain paper. Adjust the paper guide so they fit the paper size correctly and prevent paper feeding issues. Step 5. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi. On the printer's touchscreen, go to Settings on Network Wireless Setup. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and wait for the printer to connect successfully. Step 6. Download the Xerox printer driver. Visit the Xerox support website and download the latest Xerox C235 printer driver for your Windows or Mac computer. Installing the correct driver ensures smooth printing and scanning. Step 7. Run the driver installation. Open the downloaded setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license agreement and choose the recommended installation option. Step 8. Add the printer to your computer. During installation, the setup program will search for available printers. Select your Xerox C235 from the list and complete the connection process. Step 9. Print a test page. After installation is complete, open the printer settings on your computer and print a test page. This helps confirm that the printer is communicating correctly with your device. Step 10. Update printer settings. Set the Xerox C235 as your default printer if you plan to use it regularly. Check for firmware updates and customize print preferences such as paper size, print quality, and duplex printing. Thanks for watching.